Good morning, everyone. We will start the call. US markets were up 1.4% yesterday, and Asian markets are up around 1% across the board. This up move is mainly because of the Federal Reserve's move yesterday, which held on to its rates in the range of 5.25 to 5.5%, and also indicated that 2024 calendar year will witness at least 3 rate cuts instead of earlier guidance of 2 rate cuts. So post this announcement, even the 10-year bond yield in US declined by around 20 basis points to 3.99%. And Brent crude is now consolidating at around $75 since last 6-7 days. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jian. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we are likely to witness the Nifty will be going through about 21,000 psychological mark. For the resistance, for the first resistance is placed at 21,170. Any move about that level, we expect a momentum to be carried forward towards to 21,240 to 21,370 levels on the high side, whereas the support will be placed at 20,870. Below that level, 20,740 levels are the crucial support levels we need to keep eye on it. The overall view is definitely positive. Yesterday, we have seen a very good bounce back rally from 20,060 levels onwards and maintain a positive closing about the same. So the view will remain a positive as long as Nifty sustains about the 20,800 levels on the closing basis. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, the daily chart on the technical front, Bank Nifty has given a formation of a flag pattern. It's on the verge of giving the breakout of the same. The breakout comes to at around 47,700 to 800 levels on the higher side. If it surpasses that level, then the further more upside can be seen into the Bank Nifty, which might take a Bank Nifty towards to 48,000 and above levels. But for the today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at 47,530. Any move about that level, we expect a rally to be continued towards 47,650 to 47,850 levels, whereas the support is placed at around 47,200 and 46,900 will be the second support level on the Bank Nifty front. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,320, 21,370 are the crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at 21,170 and 21,090 levels. Since today we are getting a huge gap ups, I will not initiate any pre-market calls. Let's the market settle down, and accordingly we will initiate a buy or the sell call. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you have seen that Nifty has reversed from the supportive level of 20,700 market from yesterday trading session. So we expect the market trend to be again positive into the range bound session because Nifty is having strong support at 20,700 mark, where we are seeing that on the weekly basis put at a position it's holding strongly at 2,700 mark, and on the upside we are seeing that 20,000 strike is having the highest call at a position on the monthly basis. So once if Nifty spot manages to get close about 21,000 mark and Nifty futures get close about 21,200 level, then there would be heavy liquidation from the call right up front at 20,000 mark, which will be a positive sign again for the market to stretch towards the 21,300 to 500 level in coming trading sessions. So hold a long position as the market strength looks to be on the positive side. While on the FI front, we are seeing that FI is continuously into buying trend from last 2 to 2.5 weeks. So we expect this buying to be continued with the supportive base of 20,700 mark. Once if Nifty goes below 2,700 level, then only a profit booking need to be done, or else we expect the market trend to be on the bullish front. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, the counter that looks positive for today's trading session would be Ambuja Cement, Adani Port, Chola Finance, SBI and Tata Steel. This five counter has shown some major fresh long OI position from last 2 to 3 trading session, and we expect the buying will be witnessed in today's trading session. So that's it from that front. Thank you.
NBCC has received order worth 1,500 crores from National Cooperative Development Corporation for construction of 1,470 warehouses and other agri infrastructure across India. So it's a big order and positive for NBCC. South Indian Bank, there is news that as per their internal investigation, certain fraudulent acts were committed by an employee in one of its branches, and the fraud amount involved is 28 crores. So this is negative for South Indian Bank. IRCTC is on the road to expand in the areas beyond railways. At present, the company is managing catering services for various ministries, government departments, judiciary, and universities. IRCTC has now signed MOUs with various other autonomous bodies also, and it is planning to increase its catering units by 15 across the country in the near future. So this will be positive for IRCTC. Uno Minda, the auto ancillary company, has commissioned its new automotive seating plant in Ahmedabad. So that's positive. And lastly, Angel One, there is news that Hemant Bhatia has joined as CEO of the asset management subsidiary of Angel One. Now, Hemant Bhatia brings along with him a wealth of experience of 17 years in the asset management industry. Prior to joining Angel, he was heading the ETF department at Nippon Life India AMC. And we all know Nippon Life is the leader in the ETF when it comes to ETF mutual funds with a market share of around 14 odd percent. So this is, we think, good news for Angel. And Hemant's expertise extends to launching and developing various industry first ETFs and index funds while he was there at Nippon AMC. And before that, he also played an instrumental role in setting up CPSE ETF at Goldman Sachs AMC, where he served as executive director. So it's a good move by Angel One, and it seems to be positive. Thank you. Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you, Jian. Sorry. Yeah, thank you, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So today we are expecting a gap up opening in commodities, and prices are expected to test 60 to 500 on in gold, and one can buy on dips around 60 to 300 with a stop loss of 60 61 62,000. On upside again, prices can test 60 to 800 to 63,000. Silver also expected to open around 75,000, and one can buy on dips around 74,500 with a stop loss of 73,800. On upside again, 76,000 is the target we are eyeing for. Copper also buy around 718 to 17 and maintain a stop loss of 713. On upside, 724.27 is the target we are looking for. Zinc also prices have sustained and closed above 217, so buy with a stop loss of 216.50 with a target of 220 to 225 on upside. Crude oil also one can initiate by around 57.40 and maintain a stop loss of 56.50. On upside, 5900 to 5950 is the area where we are recommending to take profits. And in natural gas, one can initiate a buy around 193. There could be chances of reversal, so maintain a stop loss of 185. On upside, again, it can test 205, 220. One can average if anyone is having a buying position at on higher end. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD we are expecting some sideways to bearish momentum. So if prices open around 83.40 to 83.38 levels, so one can initiate a short position with a stop loss of 83.46 for the target of 83.30 and 83.25 levels. In JPY one can initiate a long positions around 57.75 levels with a stop loss of 57.30 levels for the target of 58.25 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long position within a range of 90.20 levels with a stop loss of 90 for the target of 90.56 and 90.75 levels. Thank you.